Welcome back. This is Kia Sportage. We installed this 9-inch Android navigation with octa-core CPU, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. It's Android 16 version. HD screen 720p, 4 GB RAM, 64 internal. Let's make buttons, touch buttons of the panel to be green like the factory ambient lights of the Climatronic. Go to General, Pattern Settings, click on green, put a little bit something like that. Okay. If you have questions about your car, contact us. We will make it. Like and share video, subscribe to the channel, that is helping us. See you in next video. You can write a comment what kind of video you want me to make. I will make it. See you.